how to create memorable information on Halifax. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create a memorable information for Halifax, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically create memorable information on Halifax, all you have to do is you go to halifax.co.uk over here, and then you basically sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, you go to the sign in page from the top right on the screen. Then you have to go to the reset page. So here, select forgotten your sign in details. Now after this, what you do is here you can see an option that says change your memorable information. So select that option here and then tap on continue, and then it will ask you for a couple of other information. Do you know your username? If you do, then enter the username, the first name, the date of birth, tap on continue, and your memorable information will get created in this way. This way you should be able to create memorable information on Halifax. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.